London British Museum, free entry, explore world history and cultures. Science Museum, hands-on exhibits and interactive science displays. Natural History Museum, dinosaurs, fossils, and an earthquake simulator. Tower of London, discover the crown jewels and medieval history. Shakespeare's Globe, learn about theater history and see plays affordably. York Minster, student discounts for this stunning cathedral. The Shambles, free to explore this medieval street. Harry Potter vibes. York Castle Museum, affordable entry with historical exhibits. Glasgow Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum, free entry with diverse collections. Glasgow Botanic Gardens, free to explore and relax. University of Glasgow, stunning architecture and Harry Potter vibes. Necropolis, free historic cemetery with city views. Bath Roman Baths, student discounts for this ancient attraction. Bath Abbey, affordable entry with stunning architecture. Royal Crescent, free to explore this iconic Georgian landmark. Pulteney Bridge, free to walk across and enjoy the views. Belfast Titanic Belfast, student discounts for this world-class museum. Botanic Gardens, free to explore and relax. Queen's University, Belfast, stunning architecture and history. St. George's Market, affordable food and local crafts. Newcastle Angel of the North, free to visit this iconic sculpture. Newcastle Castle, student discounts for this historic site. Quayside Market, affordable food and crafts by the river. Discovery Museum, free entry with interactive exhibits. Manchester John Rylands Library, free to visit, a stunning neo-Gothic building. Northern Quarter, affordable cafes, street art, and vintage shops. Manchester Museum, free entry with exhibits on natural history and culture. Old Trafford, football fans can tour the stadium, student discounts available. England has a diverse and rich culture influenced by its long history. It is known for its literature, with famous writers like William Shakespeare and Jane Austen. Traditional afternoon tea, fish and chips, and Sunday roasts are popular foods. England is also famous for its music, from the Beatles to modern pop stars. Sports like football, soccer, cricket, and rugby are a big part of life. The country celebrates events like the Queen's, now King's birthday, Bonfire Night, and Christmas with unique traditions. English culture blends history with modern influences, making it vibrant and ever-evolving. England has a long and interesting history. It was first home to Celtic tribes before the Romans took control in 43 AD. After the Romans left, the Anglo-Saxons and later the Vikings settled there. In 1066, William the Conqueror from Normandy invaded and changed England's culture and leadership. Over the years, England became very powerful, going through important events like the rule of the Tudors, the English Civil War, and the Industrial Revolution. It also built a large empire around the world. Today, England's past still influences its culture and role in the world.